In this short tutorial, you will learn how to hide blocked calls from your call log on a Samsung device. Blocking unwanted calls can be a great way to avoid spam or nuisance callers, but you might not want these blocked numbers to clutter up your call log. Thankfully, Samsung provides an easy solution for this. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device and then tap Recents at the bottom center. Now you will be able to see your call log. To hide blocked calls from the call log, tap on these three little dots at the top right. And then simply tap and select Hide Blocked Calls. Blocked calls are now hidden from the call log. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.